Good evening, everybody. So today in my skincare VIP group, I put my skincare on this morning, my routine, and then I did a Valentine's look. So if you want to check it out, then let me know. I'll shoot you the link and you can go over there and check it out. Now we're going to take our makeup off. So first we're going to start, if you put your fake eyelashes on, I'm going to start with those. Alright, and then we got the eye makeup remover. We just give it a little shake, mix the waterproof and the regular formula of eye makeup remover off. I'm going to get my eyebrows too. You can let it sit for a second and then wipe away the day. I use some light colors. If I use darker colors, of course it's a little bit darker, but sometimes I just let it sit. Oh, nice. I ran out of my makeup removing pads, so we're using toilet paper. It's all good. Okay, there we go. And so your eyes are really delicate, so you want to be gentle when you're removing your eye makeup. This one is really nice because it's just so easy. You don't want to tug and pull and stretch and hurt your eye or your eye area. Alright, that's good. Maybe I'll just do one little more wipe. Alright. So I'm on week 2 of the retinol process of the clinical solution. So I'm going to head over to my dad's and we are going to do our Thursday night routine that we started last week for 8 weeks. We're on week 2 and we are going to do our retinol process. So we're going to do a little cleanser. Usually I use my brush, but the retinol really exfoliates, and so you don't want to use other exfoliants during the process. So I'm just going to use my hands, and then I'm just going to wash off with my washcloth. If you have any questions about what retinol is, or the clinical solutions, or any kind of skincare, we have 5 different types of skincare, and I'm using the Volu-Firm. We also have TimeWise anti-aging, and then we have botanicals and a naturally line with the EcoCert that's made in France. That's really nice. And then we also have our Clear Proof, which is for an acne, any kind of for acne skin or prone skin or things of that such. Alright, so there we go. Simple, easy. Oh, let's do our eye cream. When you're doing the retinol process, you want to put your eye cream on first because you don't want to get retinol around the eyes. It could sting, irritate, burn. All those things we don't want around the eye. This just got a new tube coming in. This one is like, I'm squeezing. Anybody else like me? Like, you gotta squeeze out that last little bit. Cool. So we're gonna do bottom of the eye, and then I also do top. So the Volu-Firm is for anybody that really wants to prevent signs of aging or reverse signs of aging. I put it on the top as well because it's great for, like, this one's made for over 40. Like I said, if you want to be really preventative, you can also use it for that. But it lifts the eye, tightens the eye area, and then lifts up here too, because over time the eye detaches right here and it starts to droop. So this is going to lift and then also depuff the whole eye, brighten, tighten, and what else was I going to say? There's something else. Oh yeah, crepiness. So if like you have loose skin, then it's also going to tighten the that up for you. So around here, any kind of smile lines. There we go. time for some retinol. We got the retinol, and then we have a milk. It's called a calming milk. Like I was sharing in my VIP group, it kind of reminds me of if you're going to eat some Mexican food, you're going to eat Arabic food, or some Indian food. And what happens is many times, like, there's lots of spices, right? And so it can be very hot, and sometimes it takes a while to cool down depending on how hot it is. Also Thai food. So I know that in the Arabic restaurants, as well as Persian restaurants, Indian restaurants, I know Mexican restaurants have horchata, which that's kind of interesting. It's so maybe that's why, I don't know. Maybe that's to calm the taste, the heat. And so the calming milk in the clinical solutions reminds me of restaurants with that calming yogurt drinks that you can drink, or milks that they have that you can drink. So I know I love lassis at Arabic restaurants, and then I also love the I don't know what they call it. I can't think of it right now. But at the Indian restaurant, I like the mango. It's like a mango smoothie, but it's mango and yogurt, and so that yogurt or the milk. Also, they use a lot of yogurts. So the yogurts, the milks, those are going to calm the heat if the heat arises in our mouth due to which kinds of spices and foods we're having. All right, week 2, I will keep you posted on the process, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good evening. And then